Hello, doers. Welcome back to our channel, Devintelle. Today we will see how to print attendance report of employee via Employees app. So let's see about that, how to work it. You can see here our module Dev Attendance Report. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to Employees app and see here the separate menu for print attendance report. Now click on add here employee name. I want to print for Peterson. Select start date like a 20 to 30 and now click on this print button and see here printed report of attendance. Display here employee name, start date to end date, check-in and check-out time and duration, and display also leave details like a type, sick type or in date and description. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.